से गुरुकुल. In Ghar se Gurukul, our today's topic is division word stories and long division. Long division is when we repeatedly divide in the same question. Let's understand this through a problem question. So our first problem question is, Samar has 21 treats left for his pet dog Simba, and he will get another packet of treat after 4 days. So how many equal treats will Samar give to Simba in these 4 days? Remember, we have to equally divide the number of treats in these 4 days. So let's start doing it. Because it's a word story question, so as I have already told you, whenever we write word story questions, the word story, the statement for word story always comes from the question itself. Like first line is, Samar has 21 treats left for his pet dog Simba. So number of treats left with Samar, and they are 21. Second statement will be, in second line we have, he will get another packet of treat after 4 days. So, right, so how many days he has? He has 4 days. So number of days is 4. And the question is, so how many equal treats will Samar give to Simba in these 4 days? Treats Samar will give every day, or treats Samar will give to Simba every day? Question mark, because this we have to identify, we have to find out. Division bracket. The number that we have to divide will come inside the division bracket, as I have already told you. So 21 will come here and this 4 will come outside. Now there is one more thing to keep in mind whenever we do division. If we have a single digit divisor, we will first compare it with the first digit of dividend. Now whenever we have done addition, subtraction or multiplication, we start solving the question from right hand side, but in division we will start solving the question from left hand side. So we will compare 4 with 2 and not 1. So if 2 comes in the table of 4, no, because 4 ones are 4 and 2 is smaller number than 4. So now when this first number is smaller than the divisor, then we will take 2 digits in one time. Similarly, if I have divisor of 2 digits, then I will compare 2 digits, right? Now this first digit is smaller than the divisor, so I will take 2 digits in first time. Now what I have to do, I have to read the table of 4 till the time 21 or any number nearest to 21 come in the table. So I found that 4 6 are 24 and 4 5s are 20. Now which number is nearest to 21? It's 20, right? Because there is no 21 here. So we will take the nearest number to 21, and 20 is the nearest number. So 4 5s are 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Now what we have to do? Our next step is we have to subtract. Subtraction, as we have already done, in subtraction we always start from right hand side. So 1 minus 0 is 1, right? And 2 minus 2 is 0. So 21 minus 20 is 1. Now again, as we compared 4 and 2, again we will compare 4 and 1. If 1 is a bigger number or equals to 4, no. And we have no other number left here, so we will not divide anymore. Okay, so this 4 was the divisor, this 20 was dividend, 5 was quotient, and 1 is the remainder. This one is left. So we can say that Samar will give 5 treats to Simba each day for 4 days, and 1 treat will be left. 1 treat is the remainder. Now let's take one more question. And the question is, Riya baked 62 cupcakes for her 5 friends. How many cupcakes? 62 cupcakes for her 5 friends. How many cupcakes will each of her friends get if she distributes evenly? Okay, she has to give even number of cupcakes to each one of her friends. So let's write the first statement. Number of cupcakes Riya baked. This came from the question itself. Riya baked 62 cupcakes. So number of cupcakes Riya baked 62. And the number of friends are 5. Number of Riya's friends 5. And what we have to identify? How many cupcakes will each of her friends get? So cupcakes each of her friend will get. This we have to find out. So we have a question mark here. Now this is the division bracket. The number that we have to divide will come inside and 5 will come outside. Again, as we did previously in the last question, we compared this number with the first number written on the right hand side. So I will compare 5 and 6, but I found that 6 is a bigger number. So, and we know that 5 ones are 5. So this can go in one time. 5 ones are 5 and 6 is a bigger number than that. Number than 5. So this will go in one time. 5 ones are 5. Now we will subtract 5 from 6. 5 minus 6 is 1. Now we will compare 1 with 5. We have this number here now. Now we will compare this 1 with 5. As you know, 1 is a smaller number. We will put this 2 here. Okay. So now this 1 became 12. This 2 will come down here with 1 and this 1 will become 12. Now again we will compare this 12 with 5. Okay. So in the table of 5 we see that 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. But 15 is a bigger number than 12. So we will take 5 2s, that is 10. 5 2s are 10. Also 10 is the nearest number to 12. So we will take 5 2s are 10 here. Now we will again subtract from right hand side. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0 again. So we have 2 remainder here. Now because 2 is a smaller number than 5 and we have no other number to copy here, as we copied this 2 here, now we have no other number left to copy here, right? So we will no more divide and the question is done now. This 2 is the remainder and this 12 is the quotient. So we found that Riya will give 12 cupcakes to each one of her friend and 2 cupcakes will be left with her, right? Now let's take one more question. Here we have some pencils and some pencil box. The question is, we have 144 pencils to be kept equally in 6 boxes. How many pencils will we keep in each box? Now, because we are doing word story question and the story will come from the question, right, as we did earlier. So let's write the first statement. Total number of pencils. Total number of pencils is 144. This we have written here. And the number of boxes are 6. So number of boxes we have 6. Now what we have to identify? We have to find out number of pencils in each box. How many pencils we can keep in each box equally. If we distribute evenly and fairly, how many number of pencils we will keep in one box. This we have to find out. Now 144 is the number that we have to divide. So it will come inside. And 6 is the total number of boxes. Now, as we did earlier, we will repeat the same process. First we will compare 6 and 1, but 1 is a smaller number. So we will take 14 in first time. Now we will compare 14 with 6. Now read in your mind the table of 6 till the time 14 or the nearest number to 14 comes. So as you know, 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. But 18 is a bigger number. So we will take 6 2s. 6 2s are 12 because 12 is the nearest number in table of 6. So now we will subtract this 12 from 14. 14 minus 12 is 2, and now we will copy this 4 here, and now this 2 is 24. Again we will read the table of 6 till the time 24. Till the time 24 or any nearest number to 24 comes in the table of 6. So as we know, 6 4s are 24, means 4 times 6 is 24. So we found the exact number in the table. So 6 4s are 24, and when we subtract 24 from 24, the remainder is 0. So we found that in each pencil box we will keep 24 pencils. Okay, and this will be the equal and fair distribution of these 144 pencils in the pencil box. Now let's take one more problem question. Here we have 545 divided by 5. 545, this is the number that we have to divide, and 4 is the divisor. Now let's compare this 5 and 5. They both are equal, so we can take the single number only. So 5 ones are 5. This can go in one time. Now let's subtract 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we will copy this 4 here. Now if we compare this 4 from 5, we found that 4 is a smaller number than 5, and we have one more number left here, which is 5. So we have to put this number here. Now the point is, if in one time you put two numbers, you take two numbers from the dividend here, then you have to add a 0 here. Okay, 4 we already put here. Now if we take this 5 also, then we have to give a 0 to the quotient. So we have added a 0. Now we will compare this 45. Okay, why am I saying it 45? Because if we have a 0 before a number, that 0 has no value. 0 4 5 means 45. This 0 has no value. So the number is 45 only. Now we have to read the table of 5 till the time 45 or any number nearest to 45 comes in the table. So as we can see here, 5 9s are 45. So this will go 9 times. 5 9s are 45. Right? And 45 minus 45 is 0. So with this, I think the concept of division word stories and long division method is clear to you. That's all from Ghar Ka Gurukul today. Please like, share and subscribe.